Welcome. Let's learn how to add discussion topics in Canvas. So we start by going to the left-hand side of the screen and finding discussions. And we're going to go ahead and click on discussions, and this is going to take us to the discussion page. So now we are on our discussion page, and we can see that we don't currently have any discussions. So there's two ways that we can add a discussion. We can go to the top of the screen and find the blue box that says plus discussion and click there, or you can go under discussions and select click here to add discussion. But we're going to go up here and click the plus discussion at the top of the screen. So the first thing that we need to do is give our discussion a name. So we're just going to name this week 1 discussion. Remember, I'm a big fan of naming things by week. It makes it so much easier for the students to find. Then we're going to set any parameters that we like, add any descriptions about the discussion post that we want. And then we are going to go ahead and choose that this is a group discussion. So select that box right there. Then it's going to ask us to select a group category, and obviously group discussion 1 is going to go in week 1. Okay, and then we can set up any parameters that we'd like, dates and times that we want the discussion to be valid for. And then we go to the bottom of the screen on the right there and click Save and Publish. That makes sure that this goes live instantly, so that way we don't have to go back and publish it later. So since we made this a group assignment, each group has their own conversation for that topic, and Canvas goes ahead and sets that up automatically. So let's go back into our discussions, and there we see that we have our week 1 discussion. So we could go ahead and do some things to the discussion. If we wanted to pin it to the top of the screen so that it's the first discussion that the students see, we can do that by clicking on the 3 dots on the right-hand side there of week 1 discussion. So we're going to select pin, and that is going to pin this discussion to the top of the discussion page. And that's how you set up discussions in Canvas.